Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. As you have clicked on this video, I assume you want to upgrade your style, up your fashion game, your shoe game. So I respect you for that. And you're at the right place. Here you can find the complete fashion guide. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 shoes every guy should own, no matter what. So you finally moved on from Nike, Abibas, Puma, and some actual good quality shoes that will make you look better. And other people will take you more seriously. Yes, my friend, style is not just anything. It is actually important, and I'll make a separate video on why looking better or appearing better and how wearing proper clothes and shoes is very important. I'll make a separate video about it, so stay tuned. So in the list of these things, what I'm keeping in mind is great quality, versatility, affordable prices, and well, premium looks. So hey guys, my name is Aarya. You're watching StreetStyleScape, where we talk about street fashion, men's fashion in general, lifestyle, men's grooming, and just everything related to it. So if it sounds like your thing, please consider subscribing this channel. So number 1 on our list is white sneakers. Plain white sneakers. White sneakers, in my opinion, is the best thing happened to footwear. White sneakers are the most versatile shoes of them all. You can pair these with almost anything. You name it. A simple white t-shirt with grey sweatpants. Normal shirt and shorts. White sneakers with formals. I've linked down some great white sneakers at affordable prices, obviously. For you guys, if you want to buy one of these, you can go check them out. And I'm not being paid by any of the brands. This is my honest suggestion. Number 2, sports shoes or running shoes. No matter what, even if you don't go to the gym, don't go out for a run or a jog, which you should actually do. But still, if you don't, you have to own a pair of running shoes. You can obviously wear them at a gym or while you're out jogging, but athleisure wear is booming in terms of fashion and popularity. Athleisure wear, it's not just about sports anymore. It's about fashion. It's about them and how you can pair these up with athleisure wear and great tracksuits. Solid black or white t-shirts with track pants, hoodies and sweatshirts, all of it goes with a great pair of running shoes. The best part about athleisure wear is, first of all, you obviously stay comfortable. You are really comfy all the times, and you look on point in terms of your fashion game. I'm also going to make a separate video about athleisure wear, athleisure fashion, so stay tuned. Number 3 on our list is basic black sneakers. These are again very versatile sneakers, just like the white sneakers. These sneakers could be canvas sneakers, leather sneakers, or suede sneakers. It doesn't matter. If you want a great pair of black sneakers, I'd suggest go for Converse or Vans, because they have the best options for basic black sneakers or even white sneakers in general. Pair these up with tees and denim. Jacket on top, hoodies or shorts or anything you want. Just make sure your shoes should match your outfit, or it should have that contrast in it. Again, I've linked a few shoes down in the description below so you can check them out. Number 4 are dress shoes. No matter what you do or where you are, you have to own a pair of dress shoes, because this is what men wear. This is how you show other people that you're not a boy anymore. Come on, you have to own at least one pair of formal shoes. It could be loafers, single monk straps, double monk straps, Oxfords, or even brogues. Make sure you invest a little more in them, because these shoes are something that last for a while, and if you get them in leather, then because of the material, the shoes are gonna age very well, and it's gonna get actually better with age. So invest a little more in these dress shoes and take care of them well. It's going to last you so long that you can't even last that long in bed in your entire lifetime in total. They look great with suits, dress shirts, and semi-formals. These are those occasional kind of shoes. They make you look mature, grown up, and people will take you more seriously. Number 5, flashy trendy sneakers. Well, in 2020, these are a must-have. You gotta have at least one pair of them, okay? At least one. Yes, they are a bit on the expensive side, but they make a bold statement. They're super trending at the moment. Like almost every celebrity is wearing them, and you can put your hands on them. And it works best with street style, that this channel is all about. And I've made a separate series on street fashion. If you don't know anything about street fashion, the link is right here. And the other thing I want to tell you about these shoes is, these shoes are for sure expensive. So if you are gonna buy them, make sure you think well about it, because if you can't afford it, you shouldn't buy them. And please don't buy these shoes on EMI. Please don't do that. I've seen people do that, so don't do that. Again, I'm going to make a separate video on 5 affordable streetwear sneakers that you can buy. So again, stay tuned for that video as well. That was the list, guys. Let me know if you liked the video or not. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you don't, give it a thumbs down, and let me know why you did not like the video. Comment down below why you did not like the video, and I will improve my videos thanks to you. Also, the best comment will win a shout out in the next video. So make sure you comment something in there, something nice. I would appreciate that. It could be a suggestion or anything you want. So comment. Also, if you want content like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notifications. And if you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram handle is @StreetStyleScape, so you can follow me there and talk to me directly. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay stylish, stay safe. Triple S out.